Hi guys, welcome to our Emma Audio. Today we will introduce many models for you. And you can see here is our sample room. We have many models in our sample room. Here is the middle place is our mid-range model, yeah, we can see. And the left is our substitutor, yeah. We also have different model, different design. And in our back is our new car speaker model, our new series model, yeah. We will introduce some details and different place for you in later, okay? So if you like this model, you can take a photo and send me. We will see the price and the specification for you. I know many people want to know the price. Many people will ask our price list, but do you know we have many models? Yeah, we can't set our all model price list for you because it is very difficult for me to set you. So you can tell me which model you like, and we will set the price and specification for you. And now let me introduce this model for you. So here we go. The first let me see the substitutor in our left, yeah. We can see this model we use a different design, different color, and different material. And the price depend on material and quantity. So you can tell me your needs, and we will give you a recommendation. Okay. So next, let me show you this model some details. Yeah, we can see this model we can use different color. Yeah. So first, let me show you this series model. Yeah, we can see this model we use the different color: purple, yellow, blue, and orange. Yeah. So if you like another color, red, black is okay. We can change it. You can see this model in the light, on the light it's very shiny, and this. So let me show you some details. Okay, this model name called TN-TW28YZ, yeah, and this max power cap to 60 RMS. It's a big power, yeah. And this model voice code we use the one voice code. Yeah, we can see here is the model name and power and voice code size. So do you like this model? And let me see this model bullet design. Yeah, we can see this design we use the bullet design. Maybe many people don't know this design function. This design have two functions. First, will provide a good sound, and the second will reduce the heart. Yeah, because this sector function is very important. Yeah. With this model, even this model is very hard in the working, so this model will break up. Yeah. So many design to reduce the heart, so you don't worry. Okay. So and we can find there are three design about the surround. Yeah, we do different design about this surround. Yeah, so you can choose. We provide many options. You can choose which one do you like appearance. Yeah. So next, let me introduce another model. Okay. Okay, we find many big model. Yeah, many big model substitutor. Yeah. Do you know this model is very big? So this model means this model have a big power. Yeah. So let me see the model name. We can see this model name called TN-TW500. If you like this model, you can rename this name. Okay. And next, let me see this the specification. Okay, this model power can up to 50 watts RMS, and the sensitivity can up to 160 dB. And this model voice code we use the 1.75. So do you like this info specification? And so next, let me show you this model sound details. We can say this model will also use the bullet design. It's wonderful design. It will provide a good sound, yeah, and have reduced hardware function. And this light is very shiny, yeah, we can see. And the product's body we use the black. The color we use the black here. If you like another color, we can change it. Red, yellow is okay. We can change depending on your needs. Okay, and about this model, we have a special place introduced for you. Yeah, we can see. Here is terminal design. Do you know how to use it? Let me show you. Okay, you just need to press it. Yeah, we can see, and you press it, and hair wire need a wire to connect. It's so convenient, yeah. And we have another terminal design, so we will show you later, and we will tell you the different place. And we can see this model we use the double terminal design. Yeah, we can. Here is a terminal design, and we can find in this model back we can find another terminal design. Yeah, so convenient. Here we can see here is the magnet. The magnet is so smooth. Yeah, we can see. And this magnet material we use the ferrite. The magnet material you can choose. We have neodymium and ferrite. We can change. Okay. So okay, this model is introduced is over. If you like this model, you can take a photo and you can remember this model name TW500. Yeah, you can take a photo if you like this model. So let me see this model. If you like this model, you can tell me which model you like, and we will show you some details and specification for you. Okay, so if you like the model, you can take a photo on our poster. We will show you some details. Okay. And next, let me which model introduce for you. Okay, let me introduce this model. We can see this model will also use the bullet design. We can find in simple way. Many portals use the bullet design. So the bullet design is very wonderful. The function, yeah. And I know many customers will like design. And this model name called TN-TW80. Yeah, we can see, and the max power can up to 80 RMS, and this model voice code we used 1.75. Yeah, it's wonderful specification. It's wonderful data. Yeah. So we also can do the model is so shiny in the light, and the here is a basket. The basket is we also use a ferrite material. Yeah. So do you like this model? So we can see we also have this model we use the different design, different material. So we provide many options to you, so you can choose. So it will suit you suit customer different requirements. Yeah. So if you actually you can tell me your needs. You can tell me your needs. We will customize it for you. Okay. So filter introduced is over. If you have another interesting model, you can see me. Okay. So next part, let me say this mid-range model. Okay. Here we can see we also have many different design mid-range model in our sample room. Yeah. We also use the very shining color, yellow, and we use the different bullet design. Yeah. And so let me introduce one by one. Okay. So next, let me introduce this 3D model. Okay. We can find the different place. From the appearance, we can find the size is different, and the basket we use different. Yeah. So first, let me show you this basket. We can see the basket material we use the aluminum, and this one we use ferrite. Yeah. Do you know what's different about the two material? We can. So I will tell you. Here is a ferrite material. This is economical material, so this price will more low than aluminum. Yes, but aluminum material will provide good sound and reduce the heart function. So different material function have different price. So don't worry, we provide two material option to you choose. So you can choose depend on your needs. Okay. And okay, I find a bigger different places is the terminal. Yeah, we can see the two model we use the different terminal design. This terminal design we introduced you before. Yeah, we show you before, and we will show you later. Again, we just need to press it. Yeah, it's very convenient and easy to press it, and then need a wire to connect. Yeah, but this one is our the price will cheaper than this one. So this terminal use way will complete. Yeah. So we also need a wire to connect. Yeah. But this is very cheaper. And finally, next let me show you this model. The spider. The spider we use the yellow, and we can see it's very stable. Yeah. When this model is working, the spider will move up to down. Yeah. But you don't worry, this spider will peel off. It is very stable because we use the glue to the spider surround the way and the glue, so you don't worry, the spider will peel off. Okay. And here is a wire. We can see we use three triple wire to so will also stable. And here is a magnet. The magnet is very smooth and cleaner. Yeah. The magnet we use ferrite. Ferrite material about the basket is a very economical material. Yeah, we can see. And next, let me show you the surround. To surround, we use the M shape, and we add a special glue on surface. Yeah, we can see it's very shiny. It's very shiny, and if this model you use the outside, you don't worry the weather is rainy, because we add the special glue on the surface. Yeah. And here is the core paper. The core paper we can see it's very, and the core copy paper which is so light, so it will provide a good sound, and we can hear the sound. Yeah, it's so clear. It means this weight light is so weight is so light. And here is the dorsal cap. Yeah, we use the bullet design. It's wonderful design and sweet design. And this color we use the red, and we also can use black, and another color is okay. And the bullet function we tell you many times, so I believe customer will know. Okay. And here we can find the copy paper is not is different. Yeah, we can see we can compare. This copy paper is so smooth, yeah, and this sound is so light. So it means this copy paper material we use the different, yeah, and the different material have different function. So if you like this one, you can tell me. And let me show you another space, another different place, and another design. We can find there are many holes in the basket here. Do you know what the function design? Why we design that? Actually, the model model reduced height is very important. Many customers think this function is very important because if this model temperature is very high, so the spider and the copy paper will pay off. Yeah, and this model will broken. So we and many design to reduce the height. This one is reduced height. Yeah, this design can reduce the height, and we also have use another ways to reduce the height, such as we will change the basket material, and we use the magnet material, we use the aluminum. So this way also can reduce the height. So customer, you don't worry it. Okay, we do many sweet design to reduce the height, and you don't worry this model will broken. And yeah, we can find that this model's design is the same because just the size different. Yeah, so you can choose if you want a small size, you can choose this one. And if you like a big size, you can choose this one. Okay, so next, okay, let me show you these two model. Okay, here we can see the two model color we use the blue. It's different and unique color, yeah, in our market. Actually, this model is very popular in our market, and this model will also do different size, big size and small size. And if you want another size, you can tell me, we can do it. Okay, so today let me introduce the big size model for you. First, let me see the surround. We also use the M shape, and we add this color we use the blue, and we also and we can see why it's very shiny. Do you know? Because we add a special glue on there and on the surface. And here is the copy paper. The copy paper is very smooth. Yeah, and many customers will ask whether we can brush glue on the copy paper surface. The answer is we can. If you want to brush glue on the surface, we can do it. Okay, so don't worry. And here is bullet design, and the different places the So full liter design surrounded we end a ring. Yeah, we can see we end a red ring on the full liter design. Why we design that it will protect the full liter design and the core paper don't pay off when this model is working. This model is working, so the spider and so paper will move up to down, very big up to down. Yeah, so it have a protective function. And the next here is the terminal. The terminal will also use the economical terminal design. Yeah. So do you like this one? And here is the basket. The basket is very classical in our market. And next here is magnet. And if you like this model, let me show you this model name. If you like this model, this name called TNGAMD bar HE. It's very popular model in our market. Many customers will like it. And we can see this max power cap to 240 RMS, and this voice we used 1.5 size. Yeah. And let me see this model specification. Yeah, we can see this model name called TNGAMD 6E. So it means this model is 6 inch and this model is 8 inch. Yeah. And this model max power cap to 200 RMS, and this model voice code we also use 1.5 inch. So different sizes have different power. Yeah, so you can choose depending on your needs. Okay. So if you like this model, you can take a photo and remember the name, and send me. We will see the more specification and the price for you. Okay. So our three part is introduce our new car speaker model for you. Yeah, we can see this car speaker. Yeah, color we use the yellow. I know many customers very like this color. When customer install this model on their car, and this yellow color is very shiny, so very will attract another people attention. So next, let me introduce this model details for you. Okay, so first let me introduce this model, and we can see this biggest model is 50 inch, and we have another inch, 12 inch, 10 inch, and 8 inch. So if you want to another inch, you can tell me. Okay. And the first we can see this model is so heavy. Yeah, it is very difficult for me to take it. So do you know why this model is so heavy? Because let me say the magnet, because this magnet we use the trip magnet, so big. Yeah, and the magnet thickness is 240 ounce, and but 3 trouble magnet, it means this power can very big. So but customer, if you want to 2 piece, 1 piece magnet is okay, we can change. Okay. And the magnet we also use the ferrite material, economical material. Yeah. And we can see here is a terminal design, so we very convenient. And here is a basket. The basket is so stable, so you don't worry this model will pay off. When this model is working, you don't worry. Okay. And this model, this material we use aluminum material, so it will provide a good function to reduce the hard. Yeah. And this magnet, this basket color we can change. If you like red, blue, orange is okay, we can change. Okay. And we can spider, here is spider. The spider is so big and so stable. So yeah, so it's not well pay off. And we can see the spider surrounded with and a black ring. Yeah, the two protect the spider don't pay off. It's so sweet design. And the next, let me show you this model. The surround we also can so big. And do you know the surround material we use? We use the 4-inch. Do you know this material is this is it will pro good sound, and he have a good up to down when this model is working. Yeah, so yeah, we can see. And here is a dust cap. The dust cap is so big. It means this model spider is so big. Yeah, and we can see this dust cap material. We use the very special material. Yeah, we can see it's not smooth, but the sound is so clear. We can hear. Yeah, very so clear. Yeah, and about this model, there is a special place I will introduce for you. And we can see the surround and the dust cap. We can find a thread. Yeah. When we design that, it will protect the surround and the spider don't peel off when this model is working, because car speaker we have a bigger up to down. Yeah, so it have a good protector function. And this model, do you like this model? And if you like this model, we will set you specifications, so your power, and say your size, vertical size, magnet size, and the magnet grid for you if you like the model. Yeah. And let me see this model. This model is 12-inch, and this model magnet we can see we use the triple. Yeah. We use the we use the 2-piece. Yeah. Double magnet. Yeah, we can see. And another design is same. Just the front is the magnet, and this one is a 3-piece, and this one is 2-piece. And also we can see the magnet will also use a 2-piece. Yeah. So finally, let me introduce this model for you. Okay, we can see this model is so light because this model we use the magnet we use 1-piece. Yeah, we can see. Okay, here is very special design for you. The magnet we end a master. Yeah, it's very easy to open it. And this model magnet is 1-piece. The master function is to protect the magnet, and the second function is reduce the heart. Yeah. And here is a spider. Yeah, we can see. And here is a voice call. And here is a wire. Yeah, we can see the wire is so strong. Yeah, we can see the sound details. And here is spider. And here is a basket. The basket we use another design. Yeah, compare this model. We use another design. So actually, we will provide different design, different appearance to you. You can choose. Okay. And here is also there are many holes on the basket. The function is to reduce the heart. Yeah. And next, let me see the surround. The surround compare last model is so small. Yeah. But also we also use the rubber material. It's softer. It's very soft. Yeah. And here have a big dust cap, and it's so smooth. Here is paper. We brush the special glue on there, yeah, and here is a yellow thread. This function is to protect the core paper and surround tone payoff. So, okay. If you like this model, cosmic model, you can send me message. And we will introduce many specification and price for you. And we also provide the tester sound video for you. Okay. So today we introduce many models for you. Today video we will divide the 3 parts. One part is introduce the Sportage, and 2 parts is introduce our mid-range, and 3 parts is introduce our new cosmic model yet. So if you like this model and if you are interested in this model, you can remember this model name and take a photo. We will send me, and we will see the specification and price for you. And we also can provide the tester sound video for you. You can listen this sound and you can think you can buy samples first. You can come back to test the sound is okay. So if you like this model, please send me please send a message for me. Okay, thank you for your watching. Goodbye.